Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this sultry, sexy red lippy. Let's get into the lip. Like, that is a lip, honey. And this very full beats. Like, just get into the beat, get into the face, get into the hair, get into it all. Like, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching.
If I let this go, you can tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 right up to the side of my mountain until you
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say, yeah. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really care. Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, oh yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh, I would love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, make her understand. Y'all was made to dance like this. Y'all was made to bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she wants to, man. Woo.
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could've worked it out. But I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama's basement.
This is the final makeup look. Very sultry, very much giving Pamela Anderson tease, especially with the blonde hair. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also comment down below and let me know what you think and what other content you would like to see from me. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on my next YouTube video. Mwah.